because it's Thursday, Haraj Day or trip market here in Kuwait. So let's check what camera gears that we can purchase and buy today. So let's go. So we got our first camera. It's an old camera, vintage, but it's not a film. It's a digital. Yeah, it's an old style. But it's Panasonic DMC-LC5. Yeah, it's a Leica lens, fixed lens. So let's try this later. Take some photos with this Lumix camera. So, and guys, we got another camera for 3KD. It's a retro, guys. It's G2. It's working fine, so let's try to take some sample photos on this camera also. Okay, so done for today's Friday trip market. So we got the first camera, the Panasonic DMC-LC5. It's a retro type compact camera. So let's try to take some sample photos. And first we need to charge this camera. Next is the Canon G2. Yeah, we have the Canon G2. It's also a retro compact camera. It's nice. And yeah, let's try to take some sample photos with these two cameras. This is the quality of the Panasonic DMC-LC5 from Lumix, and we got it for 5KD price. So again, it's a 2001 model camera. It's video, I don't know the quality of the video, but it's retro. So we have another camera here. It's the Canon G2, also retro camera, 4 megapixel. So again, this is the video quality of the Panasonic DMC-LC5.